Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Right, we're going to be talking about Bob. That's what I call him. Well, it's the baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. Now, I've been on this for about 200 hours now. 200 hours, that includes obviously print time and everything in my work time. Now, I've really enjoyed this build. It's been absolutely fantastic. You know, I've done all the arms and done the details. I've done some sculpting on the legs to give it a nice leg shape. It's going really, really well. Now, I've seen some absolutely fantastic builds on the baby Yoda on different forums, on Facebook and on YouTube and stuff like that. Now, The Mandalorian, you know, the series from Star Wars, it's absolutely awesome. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's brilliant. You will like it. Now, with Baby Bob, I've been toying with the idea because I don't like to copy everybody else. You know, everybody puts the cloak on and say, right, I'm finished. I like to spice things up. You know, I want to do my own version on the baby Yoda. And I sat there and I went, well, I like the Mandalorian, or Mando. I like the baby Yoda. I thought, well, what can I do? Well, like I said before on the previous videos, I've always got offcuts of filament left over. So what I decided to do is print Mandalorian, the armour. And basically, I'm going to do a baby Yoda Mandalorian. So now he's a bounty hunter. And what I've got planned for this, I'm going to do the full armour. He's going to have the cloak. He's going to have the cloak on the back. He's going to have the big rifle, and I'm going to put the little tracker in his hand, so he looks like he's on the hunt. And that's what I've got planned. Like I say, he's going to have the gauntlets. He's going to have the gauntlets on the hands. I'm going to have to do a little bit of custom making for them. So they're going to go on there. It's all going to be painted. He's going to have little fibres, little hairs on his head, running up his head and then onto his ears. The eyes, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I've got an idea. Like I say, I'm just going with the flow. I'm jumping on this between builds. Obviously, you know, I'm building my Batman car, full-size cane. So this is really like a little filler. You know, I'm not like trying to rush him out the door. He's like a little hobby when I get some spare time. So I'm just jumping on it. Like I said, I've really, really enjoyed it. It's been fantastic to build on this. But like I always say, I always look after my viewers, and I will be doing a competition. Baby Yoda will be up for a competition, so you guys can actually win this prize. This could be yours. This is a one-off build. You're not going to get another build like this. You can't get it off the shelf. You know, all my love has gone into this, and when whoever wins it, they're going to be one lucky winner, I'll tell you. I feel like entering the competition myself now, speaking. Well, like I say, that's what I've got lined up with him, but only when he's all done. You know, I can't do a competition now because he's not ready. So I'm going to get him all done first, so he's all in his glory. I might even do a stand for him, saying Mandalorian Yoda, or Baby Yoda, or whatever I decide to do. So there might be a stand with him as well. Like I say, he's going to have his belt, he's going to have a belt as well, he's going to have the little Mandalorian gun here. I just want to mix it up. That's what it's all about, you know. Don't go with what everybody else is doing and keep it simple. My idea of things is, let's mix it. And that's what I've got planned for Baby Yoda. That's what I want to do with it. And I think it would be pretty cool once it's all done. Like I say, like the cloak and his rifle. You know, I've got little ideas to get the rifle on the back. I might even just put it on with a magnet, so it's just on and off all the time. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to putting him up for a competition, see what happens with him, and that's what it's all about. Like I said, I always look after my viewers, and I don't mind. People are going to think, bloody hell, you're off your rocker, as if you're giving something like that away. It means nothing. You know, it's a build that I've done, I've enjoyed it, and like I said, if I can give something back to you guys, if that winner, whoever wins it, they're going to enjoy it. You know, I hope whoever wins it sends me a photograph that they've got it, and you know, and it's in their display cabinets or wherever. That'd be fantastic, and you know, I'll put it on the wall, or I'll put a picture on YouTube, show you all that the winner's got it. I hope so. But yeah, that's what I've got planned with him. See how he goes. So I'm just printing the rest of the armour off now. I do apologise for the noise in the background, but all the printers are busy. As I said, I'm printing the Blackman Tumbler car, I'm printing the body for that. I'm doing a full-size cane, so the rest of the head's getting there. So look, you know, tune into that video when you'll see your helmet done. I'm going to do some modifications on it, just to try and get it more screen accurate. That thing's about 8 foot tall, it's massive, absolutely huge. But I don't want to ramble on with that lot. I just wanted to talk about Baby Yoda, what I've got planned for it, and if it gives you guys an idea to go down this route, then brilliant. You know, always mix things up. That's what it's all about. Experiment. And I mean, I was unsure of it at first. I was like, yeah, I'll print these first, see what it's like. But once all the parts are done and they're on it, I think it's going to look amazing, absolutely amazing. But yeah, so that's what I've got planned for Baby Yoda. Like I say, keep tuning in on the live events, what I do when I'm working on Baby Yoda. You know, I do tell you what I'm up to and I'll show you how to do it. But that's what I say, we're always learning, and that's what it's all about. And yeah, I'll catch you next time. Take care, ta-da, see you soon.